Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day and a great weekend. Well, today is part 2 of my review for One Day Saving. And we have 2 pre-stamped cross stitches. Now, I can't remember if I got this or not, so bear with me if I ever did. Because, you know, I love poppies, violets, peonies. Yeah, sometimes I end up with the same thing. But yeah, I saw this and it was just beautiful. Now, to me, it looks like it needs some back stitching around the flowers, maybe a little definition in the leaves or something, but we'll take a look. It is a Joy Sunday wannabe. It says pre-printed fabric dispensable chart reading. So it is 52 by 42 and this one was $9.54, so under $10. Does have all the beautiful Joy Sunday instructions, and it comes in a beautiful Joy Sunday like what do you call it, packaging. I love these plastic bags. They're reusable. Yep, they're great. You know, in 20 years I'm going to have 50 of those because I do have those kits in bags. And therefore, since it comes in this lovely bag, I don't have to use one of my bags like these that I got from Amazon. Save a little money here and there because it is pretty durable. Sometimes the packaging that things come in is not that durable. So, isn't that beautiful? Just love it. Can hardly wait to see the colors. I hope they're as bright and vivid as they look. But it's just so pretty. And it is a partial. You don't do the background. It has 24 colors. Sorry, just flipping it here. We have 310, no 823, we have no 939, and no 3865. So, yeah, basically pinks, oranges, a little bit of green, a little bit of like an orangey color, and we do have some black because, you know, they have to have black in the center of the poppies. Very beautiful pattern. It is only full stitch. So, very nice. And let's look at these beautiful, beautiful colors. Let me see if I can turn that over and get it to a white section. But look at all those beautiful oranges and reds. There's some corals, there's gold, there's tan brown in several shades from light to medium dark. Look at that dark red. Oh, is that to die for? And I don't know. What is that? Is that? Yep. This red right here is my Christmas red. I always call it Christmas red. It is 321. Just beautiful. And we have some greens, some plum colors, some pinks, and there's the light tan brown. It does come with 2 needles, if I could just talk. But aren't those colors just fabulous? Look at them. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. And I love poppies. I think they're so beautiful. So beautiful. The canvas itself is serged all the way around. Let's take a look. And it's fair size, but it doesn't look too bad. It does have, the paper pattern does not match the canvas, so it has its own set of symbols for the canvas. I don't know why they do that. It's irritating. It does have the name and the 2 numbers that were on the front page. It is 180 by 143. But yeah, I think it will make a beautiful picture. I really, really do. And I like that vase in the golds and browns. They're going to be pretty. And it looks fairly easy to stitch. Very easy to read symbols, as, you know, for Joy Sunday. They are always good about that. And their printing is spot on all the time. I'm looking for my thing. Sorry, of course we have to hit the bell, right? Let's see how big this is. It is a little over 51 centimeters by 42 centimeters. The actual picture is 13 inches or 33 centimeters by 41 and a half. So that is about almost 16 and a half. 16 by 13 and a half, something like that. But it's a nice, beautiful picture. I just love it. And, you know, I might start this, I might not right yet, I don't know. But I love all the colors in it. They're bright, they're bold, they're vivid. Let me save this for like February when it's snowy and it's cold and all I want to do is see flowers. And yeah, we'll save it when we really need it, right? But very well done for Joy Sunday, and under $10. That is a bargain. All right, now this next one, it's called Christmas Night. It is a 50 by 66. It was $14.75. Let me take it out of the bag. Maybe. This is a nice heavy bag. Now, when it has this many colors and stuff, I tend to put it in one of my Joy Sunday, not Joy Sunday, I'm sorry, I got Joy Sunday on the brain, into one of my Amazon bags, just to keep everything together and everything. And this one's fairly big. We'll see here in a minute. Isn't that cute? It's got the little guys, little elf-looking guys here, and you got a, looks like a cat or a dog here. It's awfully big for a cat. Maybe it's a dog. And a snowman, and you got people out on the balcony looking out on during Christmas, listening to those guys singing. You got even a moon up here, and there's a guy on the roof. I don't know, he looks kind of chilly up there. You should go inside. You got people and windows, and I love this whole building. I like the whole scenario. Now this paper pattern will match your canvas. Nice big picture. Excuse me. It does have instructions here. They're kind of small, but you can see them. See, if you buy this one and the other Joy Sunday, you got the nice big picture of all these instructions, which are about the same. It has 38 colors. It has 310 black, 550 purple, 823, which is a dark blue, no 939, no 3371, and no 3865. So, yeah, I think they're using 3047 for an off-white. Because see how the snow looks kind of blue? I don't know if you can pick that up or not. So there's not too much bright white. Maybe a little bit on his stomach there. But very well printed. It does look like it's going to have some confetti. But yet there's bigger parts. You know, you have your nice big areas up in here and here. Maybe just 2 or 3 colors. But, you know, when you get to a house and you get to definition and the people and trees, oh my gosh, that's where your confetti comes in. So I don't know where I'd start, but I do like this pattern. It's got a little bit of everything for everybody. It doesn't have any back stitching. It's all straight stitching. So very nice pattern. I'm glad they're making those bigger. It does come with a toolkit with this beautiful blue butterfly. Love it. Comes with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. I just keep gaining on the needle threaders, I'm telling you, with all these kids. Let's take a look at what colors it has. Hang on. Looks like we got some extra skeins. which means it's going to be fair size, and you're going to use those colors. Because see let me show you here just a second. This background is that dark blue, and then you get this lighter, you know, around the building. I just love it. Oh, all the blues in this. I'm a blue girl. Love my blue. So you got a skein of, I got to turn it right, 161. You have a skein of 312. You have loose skeins of 793. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 skeins of that. I love that. It's kind of a purpley blue. Then I bet that's 419. Nope, 318. Close. It's a gray. Then you have kind of a plumish looking color, which is 3041. Isn't that beautiful? Ugh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then you have a wad of colors. This will get its own bag for sure. Hang on, I gotta shake everything down. So we'll start with the first one. You got a tan and kind of a mocha, like a medium mocha, and then kind of a medium tan brown. That's pretty. And then comes all the rest, right? So we have golds, blues, browns, dark greens, kind of a yellow brown. There's some mocha. I don't know what happened to it, but it got stuck in there. That's the one you have the skein for. See? It matches. So there's only a couple there. Just absolutely beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. I love these buildings. Oh, if I could just stitch them fast, we'd have it made, but that's just not happening. I get stuck in the the confetti part, and it takes forever just to get it to look like a building. Yeah, and then I don't lose interest. I just go someplace else and do something else because I'm not getting there as fast as I want to. But lots of beautiful, beautiful colors. Man, that's kind of heavy. Oh, we're messing up everything. It is serged all the way around. And this one's going to go up and down. It does have the product number. It says 11 count. There's your product number right there. 50 by 66. It is 191 by 260. Has a nice key. The stitching just barely kind of grazes the numbers along the edge, but nice and big and able to see it. But yeah, this part, like, yeah, confetti. So maybe if I won't be so discouraged if I start over here, like, you know, in the bigger areas. Maybe. You never can tell with me. But nice, easy to read key. Has the DMC number symbol and the number on the thread card. This is all printed very nice, very dark, very easy to read. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can. But yeah, let's see if we can measure this. Whoops, I knew I was going to hit it. It's kind of wide. Of course it goes up and down. And you do have some big areas down in here. Like there's maybe 4 colors right here, but they're all in rivers of color, like where the snow and stuff's at. When you get into the houses, trees, and people, that's where it's like, oh my gosh, wade through it. Let me see if I can measure this. Hang on. But I did like the picture, so it helps. And I need another Christmas cross stitch. I have returned from Christmas, and I think that's all the Christmas I've got. I mean, I do have the one where Santa's in the sleigh. My friend Phyllis sent that to me, I think. So I got to pull him out. So I'm going to get out all the Christmas stitching, and we'll stitch in December on some of this stuff. So 66 centimeters or 26 inches. Wide it is 51 or 20 inches. So it's a little bit more than it was. You have a nice margin all the way around, so you don't have to worry. So the actual picture up and down is 60 centimeters, or almost 23 3/4 by, it's like poster size, I swear, 44 and a half or 17 and a half centimeters. So yeah, it's a big one, but I just love it. I love all the blues, and it makes it look so chilly and frosty and wintry and Christmas, and it's Christmas without being Christmas. You could have it hung up year round. I mean, if I finish this, oh hell yeah, it's going to be up all year round, because I ain't putting that away every time and just getting it out. But yeah, I can hardly wait to start on this one. So we'll see. Maybe sometime this next week or so. Maybe the week of Thanksgiving or something. I don't know. I never make plans, because you know how it goes. It is what it is, what it is. Oh yeah, and this whole little... There must be like a person hanging off of there, because it's like 50 colors, symbols right there. Another joy to stitch on. I love it. Now, One Day Savings has diamond painting, cross stitch, paint by number. They also do custom. I'm not sure what they do custom in. They have counted and stamped cross stitch. They have beaded cross stitch. They have tools and crafts for diamond painting and cross stitch. I don't know if they have any tools for the paint by number or not. They usually have a Christmas section. They have usually have free shipping over a certain amount. I'll put that information down below. And I believe I have a 5% off discount for you all, so that will all be in the description down below. Do check it out, and do check out the store. They usually have great prices, especially this time of year. They do 90% of their business in Christmas, and it's a big deal. So do check them out. Thank you, One Day Savings, for sending me these lovely kits this week and last. And thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.